So my first impression of Ifse was I was really amazed with the castle, and I was in awe since it's one of the first it was my first time to see the castle. So I was really in shock. I expected a lot in studying here. And I expected that I learned a lot of Italian cuisine, and I expected that that's what I expected, and it was achieved. Very, very much. And I'm very happy that I learned another cuisine, because I've been learning a lot of cuisines back in the Philippines, but then like knowing the more traditional cuisines in Ifse and making it a little modern is really a great experience.
I decided to come and study in Ifse because at the time when I was in De La Salle College of St. Benilde, for the past 3 years I've been wanting to come and study abroad. And Ifse showed me a really good option to study abroad, since I'd be learning about Italian culture, Italian cuisine. So I guess I wanted to study in Ifse because it's been a life goal for me to come.
Here, my first impression was I'm going to learn that the traditional cuisine of Italian culture, but here it's much more modernized. We learn these different things with plating the food, and it's very innovative here.
I'm very happy with my experience in Ifse since I plan to build my own restaurant in Italian cuisine. So I'm very blessed to learn the roots of Italian cuisine here in Italy itself. And with all the field trips we had, the Parmesan, the balsamic, and then the coffee, it was a learning addition for me. And the chefs that we had here is very accommodating and very helpful. Really taught us new things that we didn't learn in the Philippines.
It's very surprising to me that I'm at the last day here in Ifse, and now I'm very, very thankful that I learned a lot here from the basics or the history of Italian cuisine, from traditional to modern. I'm very, very thankful that I was able to learn from the chefs here in Ifse, from Chef Marelio, from Chef Stefania, from Chef Ugo. They are very fun to be with, at the same time serious enough to take the professional. And so from day one, I already knew that Ifse was really teaching us what Italian cuisine was all about, and I'm just very thankful for that.
The best lesson for me during my stay in Ifse is every lesson that we've ever had, because it teaches us the proper Italian cooking and the proper way to prepare Italian dishes.
So one of my best memories of Ifse was when we were doing the pastries, because pastry is really my passion, and I learned a lot. There's so much I learned from Chef Gabriel Trovato. I don't remember her name, but Chef Georgia. There's so many things they taught us, and I'm so thankful to Ifse, to Benilde, to everyone who helped me get here.
Here at Ifse, I learned the techniques like batuto and sofrito. We learned how to cook the risotto properly, to toast the rice well, and how to blend the cream using the manticatura technique.
Yes, I would definitely suggest for other students to come here and learn, since you're not just learning how to cook, you're learning about Italian culture and how great it really is to have ingredients which are first class, and having chefs who teach you who are also first class chefs, and that's why.
Before I came here, I asked my professors what Italian words should I, of course, know, because I'm going to a foreign country. One of them told me provare is try. So what happened is I used that a lot because I went to markets, I went to schools, I went to the school. Then I said provare a lot because, you know, look at me, I like the food. I like food, I like to try things, I like to try something new, I like to try adventures, I like to try everything. This is one of the most interesting and most bravest thing that I did during my college life. And I'm so happy that I did this, and I hope that you could provare the Ifse experience.
Ifse was a wonderful experience. I learned so many new techniques from the chefs, and I learned so many new things about my students and working hard all over again. So please come to Ifse, enjoy the techniques, enjoy the campus, and enjoy being around friends and Ifse family.